In today's video, I will share with you guys how you can get 100 subscribers per day using my strategies. This strategy works for beginners but also for those who have years in YouTube. Let me show you how one of my cash cow channels blew up. As you can see, it increased unexpectedly, increasing the number of views and also subscribers. So you want to learn how to do this in your channel, you just have to keep watching this video. Before we start, if you have followed my previous videos on how to get subscribers and get more hours of views, please press the subscribe button so you do not miss any of my videos in the future. Many of you will be surprised, but my first tip is to upload videos consistently. Recent reports have shown that YouTube channels that post more than once a week are performing much better and getting more recommended views. This way, the more a YouTube video is recommended, the more potential you will get as many views. And YouTube continues to push as high a video that gets a lot of views. This was my first tip. To jump to the second tip. My secret in tip number 2 is not something I wanted to show, but many of you go on and ask how you manage to get so many views. I use title format to get more views. Remember, you need to create a title that is attractive for people to click on, and then it all depends on how productive what you have done in the video is, but the main thing is for people to click at first sight. For example, if I write how to get 100 subscribers, it does not look so attractive because people have seen this title. But if I write how to get 100 subscribers every day on YouTube, grow on YouTube fast, such a title looks more attractive and people will click on it because they are curious to know what is new in this video. My next tip is all about the comments. In each of my videos, I try to read the comments and respond to them, or by liking their comments. Commenters are potential subscribers who you can easily turn into subscribers by answering their questions or replying to them. I hope I helped you with these first 3 tips, but in the next video, I will show you 3 more tips. Subscribe and do not miss the opportunity to get more knowledge and strategies to grow on YouTube so fast. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.